You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making baba, Cambodian rice porridge, aromatic, savory, and comforting to eat on a chilly day like this. Let's get started. First, prepare fresh toppings. Give them a good wash and chop them. There's something so nostalgic and comforting about rice porridge. Its ability to soothe you when you're not feeling well or when you're missing the flavors of home. It's eaten all throughout Asia, but what makes the Cambodian version special is how aromatic the soup is and how robust the toppings are. For the broth, we'll need galangal, lemongrass, and onion. We'll also need dried squid, which you can find in the refrigerated section of your local Asian grocery store, and salted radish, which is basically preserved daikon. This one has food coloring. My local store was out of the one that didn't have food coloring, so this will have to do. And dried shrimp. Soak the dried squid in salted radish for 5 minutes. This will rehydrate the squid a bit and also remove some of the food coloring and excess salt from the radish. Slice the squid into strips. Drain the salted radish. Set aside, we'll use it soon. I'm using half of a whole chicken. To wash it, salt it first and rub it all over. Wash the chicken until the water runs clean. For the broth, heat up water. In goes the onion, lemongrass, and galangal. And salt. Cover and bring to a gentle boil. Add the chicken. Cover and simmer on medium-low heat for 1 hour. During that time, skim off the foam occasionally. Let's prepare crispy fried garlic, another topping and ingredient for the broth. Fry on medium-low heat. And stir often so that the garlic can golden evenly. Once they've developed a bit of golden color, remove them. The residual heat will continue to fry them. Wash jasmine rice until the water runs clear and drain. On low heat, add in some crispy fried garlic and its oil, and the washed jasmine rice. Season with fish sauce. Mix this for a few minutes on low heat until the rice is no longer wet. We're not cooking this rice, we're seasoning it. This broth has been simmering for an hour. Remove the chicken and allow it to cool down. Discard the onion, lemongrass, and galangal. They've done their job. Add in the garlic rice. And the squid, dried shrimp, and salted radish. Season with granulated chicken flavor soup base mix, fish sauce, and sugar. Taste and adjust to your preference. On medium-low heat, cover and boil for 20 minutes. In the meantime, the chicken has cooled down. Let's shred it. I'm also adding slices of Vietnamese ham. Traditionally, blood cubes and slices of liver are added, but I prefer this. This has been boiling for 20 minutes. Add in the shreds and slices of meat. Cover and simmer on low for 5 minutes. Here we have it, a comforting bowl of baba. Add your favorite toppings. There's scallion, cilantro, bean sprouts. These fried Chinese donuts, they're not sweet at all, but they are savory and crispy and will act as a sponge, soaking up all the flavors of the broth. I have salted soybeans, black pepper, crispy fried garlic and its oil, sambal chili sauce, and chili oil that doesn't have too many seasonings that can mask the flavors of the broth. Lime juice, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.